Hi guys, my name is Joran. I'm working for CTOUCH. Welcome at the CTOUCH booth here at the ISE 2020. We're showing a lot of new products. What we see happening in the market is a lot of people are using touchscreens for interactive whiteboarding, for screen sharing, but now also more and more for video conferencing and full collaboration. And what we're doing at CTOUCH is we're making something brand new which is called BRIX. And BRIX are basically modules that we introduce, and you can fit those modules on the back of the touchscreens, which we use as platforms. So here you can see the BRIX solutions that we are introducing, which are perfect for meetings. So BRIX, which we call Essentials, is all about whiteboarding and screen sharing. But if you want more, we have a BRIX for which is called Pro, for which you can also use as room booking, email sharing, a BRIX for Teams for full collaboration, working on files at the same time, and also for Zoom, which is perfect for video conferencing. Now these BRICs you can use on two new touchscreen platforms that we are introducing this year. In the second quarter we have the CTOUCH Riva, which is based on Android operating system, including TrueBeam touch technology, which is developed by ourselves. And later this year in Q3 we're also introducing the CTOUCH Canvas, which will be our brand new platform in Q3, based on in-glass technology by Flatfrog, business grade security platform, and not to forget also a C-touchable frame, for which we are the first in the market. If you want to know more information about these products and all these brand new solutions, be sure to check out ctouch.eu. Thanks for watching.